Ambassador Clemencia Forero would have to be here with us this evening, but unfortunately she's in Colombia, and she sends all of you her warmest regards. Ambassador Pedro Villagra Delgado, Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, Excellencies Frank Madrid and Christian Pildich, producers of this show, distinguished guests, dear friends, and of course, members of the two fantastic bands here tonight. Oh, it is such a pleasure to be here with you in this prestigious theater, and thanks for coming. As you may know, in Colombia, music is part of our lives. Cumbia, salsa, vallenato, traditionally played or with a twist of electronic mixtures, have created an enormous space for groups to recover and position the traditions of Colombia and to introduce audiences abroad to the amazing cultural diversity of our country. Yesterday was Cambero's birthday. We are celebrating it with this wonderful concert tonight. For the first time, the Colombian Cumbia arrives at the Australian capital. Produced by Pura Vida Roadshow in partnership with the Street Theatre and the ACT government, with the support of the Colombian Embassy, Así Suena Colombia, will offer Camberian audiences a taste of Colombian music performed by international bands such as the Bogotá-based Frente Cumbiero and the Brussels-based La Chiva Gantiva. Cumbia is a universally loved music that originated in the Caribbean coast of Colombia and Panama. Colombia Sounds Like This showcases the very best contemporary Colombian music, drawing on Colombian rhythms of yesteryear, but it is also international, and its musical vision reviving folkloric forms with electronica, funk, rap, dub, opera, and DJ culture. As part of our cultural diplomacy, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Colombia coordinates a plan for the promotion of Colombia to project at the international level our cultural expressions that reflect with high quality the impressive social and cultural diversity of Colombia. So, as you may see, artistic relations and exchanges such as these show an amazing dynamism that is clear evidence of the growing multidimensional agenda between Colombia and Australia. Let the show start. Enjoy and dance along, please.